Welcome back, Insight Explorers. I am your spatial narrator, Geo Greg. Today we're exploring how drones are evolving from data collectors to real-time analysts. Thanks to edge computing. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a paradigm shift in how we gather, process, and act on spatial data. So, what exactly is edge computing? Think of it as giving drones brains, not just eyes. Instead of sending raw data back to a base station for analysis, these UAVs are equipped with onboard processors, like mini data centers in the sky. They analyze imagery, LiDAR, and thermal data in real time, while still in flight. That means faster decisions and smarter operations. Here's how the workflow unfolds. Before launch, operators configure flight paths and sensor payloads tailored to the mission, whether it's pipeline inspection, flare stack monitoring, or crop analysis. Once airborne, the drone sensors like RGB, multispectral, and LiDAR start collecting data. But instead of offloading gigabytes of raw files, the onboard edge processor kicks in immediately. It performs image correction, georegistration, sensor fusion, and even AI-powered analytics like object detection and anomaly recognition. All done mid-flight. This is where edge computing shines. It transforms raw data into actionable intelligence before the drone even lands. Picture a pipeline patrol scenario. The drone captures visible and thermal imagery, then runs deep learning models on compact GPUs or TPUs to detect leaks, corrosion, or unauthorized encroachments. It autonomously flags issues, prioritizes threats, and sends back a single geo-tagged, annotated image with the alert. No data dump, just decision-ready insight. And if something looks suspicious? The drone can reroute itself for a closer inspection, adapting its flight path on the fly. This level of autonomy means operators can cover hundreds of kilometers daily, reduce human risk, and respond to events faster than ever. In agriculture, drones assess crop health mid-flight, identifying stress zones before they spread. In disaster zones, they locate hazards and survivors without waiting for post-processing. It's not just smarter. It's safer, faster, and more scalable. What's more, these edge-enabled drones can integrate with cloud platforms and enterprise GIS systems, syncing critical insights directly into operational dashboards. This seamless fusion of field intelligence and digital infrastructure empowers teams to act with precision and speed. As edge AI hardware and algorithms continue to evolve, we're heading toward a future where drones don't just collect data. They deliver decisions. That's the power of edge computing in geospatial workflows. So, if you're as pumped as I am about the future of edge-powered UAVs, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more spatial smarts from your pal, Geo Greg. This is Spatial Scoop, where maps meet machines and the future flies. Until next time, stay sharp, stay spatial. Thank you.